Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a purple sweet potato sago dessert. We're going to first bring a pot of water to the boil and add in the sago and then cover it with a lid and boil for 10 minutes. And then when the 10 minutes is up, turn off the heat and keep the lid on and let it sit for 13 minutes. This time may vary depending on the sago brand you've bought, so just make sure it's turned translucent and test a little bit to see if it's soft. Once it's ready, we're going to strain the sago and rinse it with cold water. Now we're going to peel the sweet potatoes and then cut the sweet potatoes into 1.5 centimeter slices. We're then going to place it in a steamer and steam it for 20 minutes or until they're soft. While the sweet potatoes are steaming, we're going to work on the soup, so in a pot, put in the coconut milk and water and whisk it together. When it's evenly mixed, we're going to add in the pandan leaves and then bring the mixture to a simmer. Once it's simmering, we're going to turn off the heat and then just let it steep for 20 minutes. When the sweet potato is cooked, we're going to take it out and separate it into two batches. Take one of the batches and then dice them into cubes and set it aside. We're then going to take the other half and place it into a bowl and just puree it with a stick blender. If you're finding that your sweet potato is a little dry, you can add a little bit of water to it as you're blending it. Then we're going to take the pandan leaves out of the coconut milk and then we're going to add in the pureed sweet potato and the sugar. Give everything a mix until it's evenly combined and then turn on the heat to a medium-low. We're then going to add in the sago and give it a quick stir, and then we'll add in the diced sweet potatoes and bring everything back up to a simmer. Once it's at a simmer, we can turn off the heat and you're ready to serve. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.